Hi everyone, it's Artis. Welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll be reviewing this combi drill from FEIN. So this is ASCM 18-4 QMPAS. Well, it is a mouthful, I must say. So it's an 18-volt AMPShare platform, obviously brushless motor, so you get 3-year warranty as well. But before we go into the video, let's thank our sponsors of this video, which is Tail & Power Tools and Fixings. So yeah, what we do, we'll have a look at the tool. I'll open everything up. We'll see what we have in a box. So we have a box, or book, sorry. So instructions, please read them. Unit itself, the tool with the chuck, a grip handle, and there is, oh sorry, should have taken out. So your hook, etc. for your belt, and the case. So you got, so they reckon this drill can do everything. So that is there. So it's 4-speed. So you got, it's quite funky looking, I must say. So your speeds, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let's see. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Sorry, this is 4. Here you can change your settings. So the drill and hammer. This is the speed of the gearbox. These are clutch settings. Your change directions, and here we got 5 buttons, 5 settings. So it's quite funny shape, but this is quick release chuck as well, as you can see. And what I want to show you, this is the variations of the heads you can get with this tool. So your offset, angled, your wrench, drills, etc. The list is quite vast, to be fair. So this particular version only comes with one head with the chuck. But yeah, you got options basically. So right, let's go to weighing the tool. As we looked in what we have, we'll weigh the tool with the battery and we go from there. So the tool weighs 5.099 pounds or 2.313 kg. So personally it's not that bad, to be honest, for the tool, which meant to do quite a lot. Obviously depending on the bits you're going to have. It is slightly bulkier than others, but again, it is made to do more stuff. It's got everything. It's kind of a combi drill size, I would say. Slightly maybe bigger, but then it's a wrench as well. So that is, it needs to be slightly bigger. Again, all metal, as you can see. Let's go into the actual specification of the tool.
The FEIN's ASCM 18-4 QMAS is a serious candidate for being one of the most versatile cordless drill drivers on the market. This is an 18-volt, 4-speed drill driver built around FEIN's brushless power drive motor and the QuickIN accessory system. Unlike a basic fixed chuck drill, the QuickIN interface allows different heads and accessories to be changed quickly, making the tool suitable for drilling, screwdriving, tapping, countersinking, and metalworking. One of the standout features is the 4-speed solid metal gearbox. With no-load speeds of 430, 850, 2000, and 4000 revolutions per minute, it gives you a wide working range, from high-torque screwdriving to faster drilling in metal. Torque is rated at up to 130 Newton meters, with 15+1 electronic torque settings for better control. FEIN also rates it for drilling up to 13 millimeters in steel, 60 millimeters in wood, tapping up to M14, and fastening screws up to 10 by 400 millimeters. It runs on the 18-volt AMPShare platform, so it is compatible with AMPShare and Bosch Professional 18-volt batteries. At 1.3 kilograms bare weight, with kickback monitoring, overload protection, restart protection, and an electronic brake, this feels less like a basic drill driver and more like a compact multi-purpose drilling and fastening system.
So on paper it is very impressive drill. It's extremely versatile. You've got 4-speed gearbox, AMPShare system, great build quality, QuickIN system as well. It is simple. They have made it so simple to change it. Not sure if you need it as a carpenter though. It is a bit too big, because when we do our units we don't really need that much. We'd rather have smaller, a bit more versatile. So this is more for engineers and that sort of stuff, rather than chippies, I think. Maybe electricians would benefit from this. Obviously the downside will be the cost, because this being a bare unit, so you will need to have a batteries already. Also the amount of the actual accessories you can get is quite huge, and I'm sure they're not the cheapest. But then on the other hand, if you think it gives you versatility, you might not need all the accessories, so it does make sense. I guess because you have, and you might not need all of these, I understand to keep the cost down they sell you a unit and then you can pick whatever bits you want. The bare unit comes at around 300-ish plus VAT. The kit with the batteries around 500 plus VAT, so it is quite expensive if you think. So that is the only really downside of the FEIN. They're not the cheapest, but they don't claim to be. They're more about power, about durability, etc. So they know their price basically. They know what they can ask for the tool, because they know it will last. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch up in our next videos.